How to change league settings in ESPN Fantasy Football. Firstly, on your PC, open any of your preferred web browser. Now on the web browser, search for ESPN Fantasy Football and click on the first link that appears. Now log in or sign into your account. At the top right corner, you will see your profile, and right beside the profile option, you will see the Fantasy drop-down option. Click on the Fantasy option. Now you will see many options like these. Click on Fantasy Home. Now on the right side, you will see a Fantasy section. Under the Fantasy section, click on your preferred fantasy team. After that, it will open on a full screen. At the top nav bar, you will see different kind of options. Take your cursor to the League tab. From the drop down, you will see many options. Click on the Settings option. Inside Settings, you can set different kind of things. In the basic settings, you can set league name, number of teams, and make league visible. Now just like that, you can go through these different tabs such as summary, basic settings, draft, and many more to set them. So this is how you can change your league settings. That's all for today. Thank you.